Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to mouse right click with keyboard. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. You can simulate the right click with your keyboard in different ways depending on your setup. Here are the steps. First method, press left Alt plus left Shift plus numlock to bring up the mouse keys dialog. Then click on Yes. Now, use the numeric keypad to move the pointer. By pressing 2, it will go down. By pressing 8, it will go up. By pressing 4, it will go left. By pressing 6, it will go right. 7, 9, 1, and 3 are going diagonals only. It's incredibly slow, but the functionality of a certain mouse is working. Now move the pointer over the item using the numeric keypad. Press this on the numeric keypad to switch to right-click mode. Then press 5 on the numeric keypad to execute the right-click. Press this on the numeric keypad to switch back to left-click mode. These steps allow you to perform a right-click using just a keyboard or with minimal mouse use. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.